Cash Giraffe balance showing 0 after an update does not automatically mean your rewards were deleted, because the first thing to check is whether the app is displaying the correct account and sensing its reward data correctly. By the end, you'll know how to separate a display problem from a real account issue, and which steps to take before contacting support. Start by checking the account you are signed into. After an update, confirm that Cash Giraffe is using the same login method and email address you used before. Accidentally signing into a different account can make your previous balance appear to be missing. Next, completely close Cash Giraffe and reopen it. Give the app a clean start, then check the balance again. If the balance returns, the update may have temporarily affected how the app displayed your account data. Check your internet connection as well. Open another website or app, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and reopen Cash Giraffe. A connection problem can prevent the app from retrieving current account information. Then check for another Cash Giraffe update in the Google Play Store or App Store. If a newer version is available, install it and restart your phone before checking the balance again. If the balance still shows 0, check whether your game activity and reward history are also missing. If your account history is still visible, but the main balance is 0, that points to a different issue than an account that appears completely empty. Do not immediately uninstall Cash Giraffe or create another account. Reinstalling an app before checking the account details can make troubleshooting harder, and a second account does not restore rewards from the original account. If you are using Android, you can also clear Cash Giraffe's cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Cash Giraffe, open Storage or Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache. Avoid clearing app data unless you understand what information will be removed and how you will sign back in. If the balance remains at 0 after these checks, document what you see. Take a screenshot of the 0 balance and, if available, the reward history. Record your Cash Giraffe account email, phone model, operating system version, and app version. Then contact Cash Giraffe support through its available support or contact option. Explain that the balance changed after an update, and provide the screenshots and account details. The key checks are your login method, account history, connection, app version, and cache. These can tell you whether the issue is a display or synchronization problem, rather than an actual loss of rewards. Your next step is to confirm the original account, restart Cash Giraffe, update it again if necessary, and check your reward history before contacting support. If this fixed your 0 balance problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe troubleshooting guides.